Do you think this is just an ordinary dried tree branch? Look closely. It's actually looking at you with a contemptuous expression. Yes. Today's star is the most famous animated sticker and meme master in the bird world, the frogmouth. Frogmouths are born with a world-weary, contemptuous expression on their face. Many people, upon seeing it for the first time, exclaim, "Wow! What a cute owl!" Although they are also nocturnal raptors and somewhat similar in appearance, they are actually more closely related to nighthawks in classification. Their most distinctive feature is their broad, flat, super large beak shaped like a frog's mouth. This is where their name frogmouth comes from. But don't let their big beak fool them, their feathers are incredibly fluffy. And the body hidden underneath their feathers is actually quite slim. Frogmouths have survived to this day thanks to their secret skill of in-place invisibility. When they sense danger or want to sleep during the day, they don't run away. Instead, they stretch their bodies, press their feathers tight, and extend their necks straight, pretending to be part of a tree branch. This "if I can't see you, you can't see me" kind of Buddhist-style camouflage actually works surprisingly well. Sometimes even scientists walking up to them almost step on them thinking they're tree trunks. What's even more contrasting is that their hunting method is super lazy. Owls grab prey with their strong claws in mid-air, while frogmouths sit on tree branches waiting for rabbits to hit tree stumps, a Chinese idiom meaning passively waiting for opportunities, waiting for insects to crawl by, then gobble them up with that huge beak. Although they are lazy hunters, they are incredibly faithful in love. Frogmouths practice monogamy. Once they choose a partner, they stay together for life. During the day, they stick closely together and pretend to be the same tree branch. Even their romance is so low-key. The next time you have a chance to walk through forests in Australia or Southeast Asia, please pay a little more attention to the dried tree branches around you. Perhaps there is a frogmouth secretly rolling its eyes at you.